Bliss GVS Pharmaceuticals Ltd is an Indian company developing, manufacturing, and marketing high-quality pharmaceutical formulations at affordable prices for the global market. The donation of the anti-malaria drugs to the Korle-Bu Teaching Hospital is aimed at achieving a malaria-free Africa agenda of the company. Teresa Aduko is the medical rep of the company.
Bliss is a pharmaceutical company with worldwide presence. And for the past 3 years, we held a campaign, and we are still holding a campaign, which is the Act for Africa campaign. And then this act is initiated towards creating a malaria-free continent here in Africa. I'm hopeful that with these drugs, we are going to achieve our aim. This donation is worth 900,000 Ghana cedis. Last year it was 120,000 Ghana cedis. What we say is that, one, we are grateful for them accepting our donation, and we are hoping that they are going to use the drugs. Some people, when you give them the drugs, it lies and then it expires, but we are hopeful that they are going to use the drugs to treat people with malaria incidents here in Ghana.
Acting Medical Director of the Korle-Bu Teaching Hospital, Dr. Harry Akoto, expressed gratitude to the company, indicating the product will beef up the fight against malaria.
This donation is very impactful. Why so is that we have World Malaria Day, which will be celebrated soon. You know, in Africa, one of the commonest diseases we face in our clinics is malaria. A lot of children die from malaria on a daily basis. And anything that we do to try and combat the incidence of malaria is very, very, very appreciated. And that is why this donation here today is very helpful. Why? During the World Malaria Day, we would have our public health experts who will go around the hospital and also in our neighborhoods, testing people for malaria. And once you test positive, they will give this free donation to you. What that means is that the pool of people who have malaria parasites in their blood will be reduced. So even if a mosquito bites you and the person they had bitten before they didn't have malaria, then you will not have malaria transmitted over to you. And so that is the impact it has. It is going to improve the health of people, and that means that they can have the strength to work and also make money. And so the general economy then benefits out of this donation. So it is a very good and impactful donation that they've just made.
He, however, re-emphasized the importance for malaria tests to be taken before any medication, even if one feels a symptom similar to that of malaria.
You see, the headaches, there are 1,000 reasons why you can have a headache. Getting a fever or having a high temperature, even a common cold can give you a high temperature. So just because you have a fever, in Ghana, when people say, I have a fever, what they actually mean is, I have malaria. But the two are not synonymous, all right? So if your temperature goes up, you want to be able to do the test. And if it is positive, then you take the medication.
The product, worth 900,000 Ghana cedis, includes Lonat DS, Lonat 24 tabs, P-Alaxin tab, and POS, and many more. Prince Kwame Kudugas reports, read to you.